Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about indefinite articles, pronouns, and the verb sein, which means to be. Let's start from German indefinite articles. German has 4 cases: nominative, accusative, dative, genitive. Today we'll talk about nominative case. In the nominative case, German has 2 indefinite articles. They are ein and eine. We use ein for our masculine and neuter nouns and use eine for our feminine nouns. For example, here we'll write masculine nouns. A father, ein Vater, ein Vater, a father. Ein Hund, ein Hund, which means a dog, a dog. Ein Bruder, which means a brother. Ein Lehrer, which means a teacher. Ein Schauspieler, ein Schauspieler. Which means an actor. Then ein Student, ein Student, which means a student, a student. Ein Arzt, which means a doctor, a doctor. So now let's write examples for feminine nouns. Eine Mutter, which means a mother. Eine Schwester, which means a sister. Eine Frau, which means a woman. Eine Tochter, which means a daughter, Eine Bluse, which means a blouse. Eine Uhr, which means a clock. And eine Schule, which means a school, Now let's talk about neuter nouns. Ein Fenster, which means a window. Ein Haus. Ein Haus, which means a house. Ein Restaurant. Ein Restaurant. Or we can pronounce it like Restaurant. Restaurant. It's a restaurant. Ein Bild. Ein Bild is a picture. Ein Zimmer. Ein Zimmer is a room. Ein Hemd. Ein Hemd is a shirt. And ein Pferd. Ein Pferd is a horse. It's a horse. Now let's repeat these words. Indefinite articles. Nominative case. Ein, eine. Masculine nouns. Ein Vater. Ein Hund. Ein Bruder. Ein Lehrer. Ein Schauspieler. Ein Student. Ein Arzt. Eine Mutter. Eine Schwester. Eine Frau. Eine Tochter. Eine Bluse. Eine Uhr. Eine Schule. Ein Fenster. Ein Haus. Ein Restaurant. Ein Bild. Ein Zimmer. Ein Hemd. Ein Pferd. Now it's time to talk about pronouns. Ich means I. Du is the singular and informal version of you. We use it when we talk with our friends or family members. Let's write here, singular. Er means he. Sie means she. Es means it. Wir means we. Ihr means also you, but it is plural and informal version. We use it with our friends, etc. So, we have one more sie. It can be singular or plural. So, when it is singular, it means you, but it's a respective version of you. For example, we use it with our professors, teachers. When we want to show our respect. So, and when it is plural, it means they. When we use sie with capital letter, it means that it's singular and formal version. Singular and formal version. Singular and formal. And when we don't write capital letter, it means that we have she or they. We'll talk about it more thoroughly later when we learn some verbs. Now, let's repeat this part and talk about the verb sein. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. The verb sein means to be. Ich bin. I am. Du bist. You are. Ist. He is. Sie ist. She is. Es ist. It is. Wir sind. We are. Ihr seid. You are. It's informal and plural version. And sie sind. You are or they are. It's a formal version of you. So as you can see, when we write sie with capital letter, sie sind, it means that we use you, the word you, with its respectful or formal version. When we write it without capital letter, sie sind, it means they are. And when we write sie ist, it means she is. It's not difficult, I'm sure you can learn it. So let's repeat this part too. Ich bin. Du bist. Ist. Sie ist. Es ist. Wir sind. Ihr seid. Sie sind. In our next video, we'll write sentences with the verb sein. So please don't forget and subscribe my channel and also write your questions under this video. Thank you.